Imagine a world where the screens of our smartphones don't shatter, where our houses are insulated better and boast windows that are not just windows, but a display of technological marvels. Welcome to the world where transparent wood is making this all a possible reality. But how did this incredible innovation come about, and what makes it so special? 30 years ago, a simple wish by a botanist in Germany, 𝐓𝐡𝐴𝐵, to see inside woody plants without cutting them open, led to the discovery of transparent wood. However, it was not until materials scientist Lars Berglund from the KTH Royal Institute of Technology in Sweden recognized its potential beyond botany that the journey of transparent wood shifted towards a revolutionary material in technology and construction. Wood, in its natural state, is unique. It's composed of tube-like structures bound together by lignin, a natural glue that gives wood its brown color. Scientists discovered that by altering or removing this lignin, they could turn wood from an opaque material to a transparent one. Early attempts to make transparent wood involved removing the lignin, but this involved hazardous chemicals, high temperatures, and a lot of time, making the product expensive and somewhat brittle. However, the challenge was to do this without compromising the wood's inherent strength. The breakthrough came from a team of researchers at the University of Maryland. The new technique is so cheap and easy that it could literally be done in a backyard. They developed a method to alter the lignin molecules responsible for wood's color by applying hydrogen peroxide and exposing the wood to UV light or natural sunlight. The wood is then soaked in ethanol to further clean it. Next, they filled the pores with clear epoxy to make the wood smooth. The result was a material that allowed 90% of light to pass through and was 50 times stronger than the transparent wood made using traditional methods. This new transparent wood was not just a window material, but could be used as a load-bearing material, potentially transforming how we construct buildings and design interiors. The implications of this technology are vast. For instance, it could revolutionize the electronics industry by providing a more durable, less likely to shatter alternative for devices like cell phones and televisions. The material's better insulation properties compared to glass suggest its use in energy-efficient housing. Moreover, the researchers have been experimenting with adding electrochromic polymer, which changes colors when electricity is run through it, opening a whole new dimension of potential applications. However, the journey of transparent wood towards commercial viability is not without challenges. The current process involves toxic chemicals, necessitating further research to make the production environmentally friendly. Despite these hurdles, the ongoing exploration into making transparent wood a sustainable alternative underlines our commitment to finding eco-friendly solutions in our battle against plastic pollution. From the vision of a botanist to the innovation of materials scientists, transparent wood is more than just a material. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of sustainable and life-changing technologies. While this technology has yet to be scaled up to industrial levels, the researchers say it has great potential as a new building material. In fact, they say that theoretically, an entire house could be made using transparent wood. Now, it's not clear why anyone would want to live in a transparent house, but for people who do, I hope they use blackout curtains. As researchers continue to refine and develop this material, we stand on the brink of a new era in material science and technology, one where our buildings, cars, and even smartphones might just be made of this incredible see-through wood. The potential is immense, and the future looks clear, quite literally. If you're passionate about green technologies and a sustainable future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Join our community of eco enthusiasts.